And you just apply 1 coat of condensed glue gel. I have it right here on my size. It's condensed glue gel, thin layer. You don't want to do too much to get it like a flooding. So condensed glue gels right here. And I am going to apply no wipe top coat on the top. Here you go. I have to remember it's right in the middle. It's perfect right in the middle. And then, do you want to see some crystal, like 1 or 2 tiny little crystal, or you don't want at all? If you don't want to see crystal, I leave it alone as it is. If you want some crystal, I will show you how I place them without look too busy. Well, I don't know when I'm gonna do nails less too busy.
So yeah, can sticker go on matte top or shiny top coat?
Yep, it can do both on the, okay, so you want to see this look, how it's gonna go matte? Instead of the top, you're gonna do a matte on it. Like video was the other day that we did. Let me move this one on the side because it's getting on the block our views right there. So let's see, just a little bit. You don't want too much ink going on here. Pick some of your crystals. Hold on, did I put the top coat on yet? I think I did. Doesn't make me like, wait a minute, I might forget. But it's okay, because if I forget, everyone will back me up. That's it. I don't want to do it more. Like, I mean more on that part. That's it. You can put beads on it. You don't want beads, leave it alone. It will look cute. But if you put the beads, you put it right between crystals. Look like a flowers. And now we're gonna, after we finish this, we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds. This is for all of you who don't have a lot of crystals, who just start playing with all the stickers and then just get an idea. So this is the beautiful videos for you. Great. Okay, now we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds.